There is a new ship coming to the Navy fleet, and it will be named after a member of the White Earth Nation in northwestern Minnesota.
The ship's going to be named after the late tribal member and decorated Marine and Navy veteran James D. Fairbanks. Tribal members tell our Eric Chalou that they hope his story will inspire youth to think about service.
At a ceremony in Washington, D.C., the U.S. Navy Secretary announced a new ship will be named the USNS James D. Fairbanks.
All of a sudden we get a ship named after him. So it's something that's just kind of giving me tingles here, and it's good. It's really I'm really proud.
The Navy traditionally names towing, salvage, and rescue ships after prominent Native Americans or tribal communities. The late James Fairbanks was born and raised at the White Earth Nation in northwestern Minnesota before joining the military. Distant relative and tribal chairman Michael Fairbanks spoke at the Navy ceremony last week.
He was a caring, he was a great man. He was an honored man. In my eyes, I consider him an Ogima, also a leader.
James Fairbanks was the 13th Force Master Chief of the Seabees, the Navy's amphibious construction battalion, and first Native American to hold the high-ranking position. Fairbanks earned many military awards, including the Bronze Star for meritorious leadership during Operation Iraqi Freedom.
I hope it serves as an inspiration to know that as Native people, as Anishinaabe, we are capable of so much.
Minnesota Lieutenant Governor Peggy Flanagan, a member of the White Earth Band of Ojibwe, hopes Fairbanks' story of service can inspire youth in the community.
And I think especially for young Native people and for young Native people on White Earth, that it will make a difference for them to see somebody in this position and leadership role who did so much good.
At the White Earth Reservation, the highway honors Force Master Chief Fairbanks, and now a country will honor Fairbanks as well, out on the water.
He served the best he could for his country, and now he's getting the rewards of naming a ship after him.
Eric Chalou, 5 Eyewitness News.